Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about ad copy, specifically who writes better ads. Ads are everywhere, they're on your feed and emails, but who writes them better, humans or AI? Today we're going to put both and compare both, and I'll show you live prompts, examples, and the pros and cons of each approach and what the best approach really is. So let's dive in. So whether you're a small business or a huge brand, great copy can make or break your campaign. And with AI getting smarter, many marketers ask, do we still need humans or can AI handle it all? Good ads matter because they help drive sales, they help build brand personality, and they capture attention in seconds. If we talk about AI, firstly, the pros of using AI is that it's very fast and scalable. We'll look at an example using ChatGPT, but AI makes writing ad copy more accessible because you can have it maintain that consistent tone. You can upload previous ad copy that you might have done or be really specific in how you want the general tone of the ad to be, and it can follow that consistency throughout the rest of the ads that it creates. It will also give you multiple options very quickly, and again, it saves time as well. And you can also ask it to analyze trends and data. Let's take a look at some of the cons. Mainly, AI can feel a bit too generic or formulaic. Again, if you are setting up ChatGPT correctly in a way that it understands fully how you want the tone and how your branding should be, this is an easy way to fix that. But it also can miss subtle kind of emotions and context as well. Unlike with most AI platforms, it needs that human editing for brand voice. So let's see AI in action. I'm going to use ChatGPT to write a Facebook ad for a new organic coffee brand. So I've got ChatGPT open. I'm currently using Chat 5, and this is the prompt that I have asked it to write a Facebook ad for Morning Brew. I've told them what it is, what my target audience is as well, and what they care about. And I've also said the tone and upbeat and how many words it should be as well. You also want to add what the call to action is. So you could say something like, call to action, buy product on website. You can see that it starts to output some copy for us. So you can see, start your day with Morning Brew coffee, an organic coffee crafted for people who care about quality and the planet, sourced responsibly, roasted with care, and packed with rich flavor that fits your busy morning. Feel good about every cup you drink. Buy Morning Brew on our website. So that was really fast. It's very catchy, it's structured, it's grammatically really good, but it could be anyone's ad. It's missing a very unique kind of brand personality. This is where the human side of things can be a little bit better. So when we take a look at the pros of human writing, the main one is that there's a deep understanding of brand voice, and there's more kind of creativity and humor with it as well. It allows people to connect more emotionally, and you can also adapt it in real time. You can change up the writing just as you feel as you're writing it as well. But then some of the cons of human writing means that ads are slower to produce multiple options because it's you yourself thinking about what other options you can write in your ad. It's more, you run the risk of running an inconsistent tone across your platforms, and fatigue and bias can also affect creativity as well. So here's an example of a human ad copy here for the same coffee. So meet Morning Brew coffee that's as conscious as you are. Sip it, share it, love it, your morning's just got better. So notice there's a bit more personality here. It's warmer, it's more relatable, but it took a bit more time to craft and refine as well. AI is brilliant for quick drafts or A/B testing, but humans really excel at connecting with audiences on a deeper level. So the real question is, what is the best approach? Well, we need to look at combining the best of both. Essentially the hybrid approach. So what you would do is use AI to draft multiple options, and then the human will edit for tone, emotion, and brand voice, test and optimize with real audience feedback. This combination gives speed, creativity, which is ideal for most marketers today as well. So who writes better ads? It just depends on your goal. For speed and volume, AI wins. For emotional connection and brand personality, humans still have that edge, but the real magic happens when you combine them. So I hope you find this quick video interesting. If you did, leave a like and comment below what you prefer to use when creating ads. If there's any other videos that you want to see around this topic, let me know as well. And see you in the next one.